This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Susan Phelps. Vacant and easy to show. This well-maintained 3-halves villa is spotless. 1,549 square feet. Live large in this split floor plan with 3 bedrooms, or use the 3rd bedroom with French doors as your office/den/TV room. Built in 2012, it has been gently lived in by snowbirds. Solid concrete poured construction means no noise from your adjoining neighbor. Stainless appliances in the kitchen, corian counters, and breakfast bar in this bright and light vaulted ceiling open plan villa. Ceramic tile is throughout the living areas and the 3rd bedroom. Luxury vinyl tile plank has replaced the carpet in the master bedroom and 2nd bedroom in 2017. The master and 2nd bedroom have walk-in closets. Lots of storage. The screened and spacious lanai looks into a private, nicely landscaped backyard. The recreation facilities are a real bonus with these low HOA fees. A resort-style heated pool, fitness gym, 4 lighted HAR-Tru tennis courts, bocce ball, pickle ball, and playground. Large town center with resident facilities for meetings, gatherings, a catering kitchen with many planned activities for this active community. On-site management and central resident post office. Conveniently located in Palmer Ranch. A short drive to shopping at Costco, Sprouts, and the Legacy Trail. Close to Oscar Scherer Park, Nokomis Beach and Siesta Beach. Easy access to the Interstate 75. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan Phelps at 941-726-2227.